Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to Chakra Healing Mandala Meditation Series 2. Today we enter the reality of flow and creativity, the home of your Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana. As I begin this mandala, I invite you to breathe deeply. Inhale calm, exhale resistance. Allow your breath to move gently like a wave touching the shore. Let your body soften, your shoulder release, and your heart open. This is your sacred space to reconnect with your emotions, your passion, and the natural rhythm of joy that flows through you. Close your eyes, soften your gaze. Bring your awareness to the area just below your navel, your creative center. Imagine a soft orange glow swirling gently in that space. With each inhale, the light expands. With each exhale, it ripples outward, fluid and free. Now visualize yourself standing beside a serene lake. The surface is still, reflecting a warm orange sky at sunset. You kneel down and dip your fingers into the water, and it feels silky, warm, and alive. As you touch it, gentle ripples move across the lake, a reminder even the smallest action creates lot of beauty. This is your creative essence, always moving, always expressing, and always becoming. Let go of perfection, let go of the fear for perfection, and let go of that control. Let your inner artist awaken, the one who plays, the one who experiments, and the one who feels delighted with colors, and the one who loves textures. As each dot forms in this mandala, imagine the orange light within you pulsing in rhythm, dot by dot, deep breath by deep breath, awakening your creative energy and awakening your joy. If emotions rise, let them flow like the water, not to overwhelm you, but to cleanse you and release any negativities from you if you may have. You are safe to feel, and you are safe to express, and you are safe to create beauty, serenity, safety through mandalas. Now, with every gentle inhale, breathe in creativity. With every exhale, release any doubts. You are living flow of energy which is peaceful, radiant, and full of life. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat mentally or out loud. I flow with ease and grace. I flow with ease and grace. I allow creativity to move through me effortlessly. I allow creativity to move through me effortlessly. My emotions are sacred and guide me towards truth. My emotions are sacred and guide me towards truth. Joy is my natural state of being. Joy is my natural state of being. I am free to express my authentic self. I am free to express my authentic self. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Feel your body relaxed, your mind calming down, and your heart and your heart is light. May this orange light of flow and joy stay with you, inspiring your creativity for long, even after this meditation ends. If this practice brought you peace or insight, share your feeling in the comments. Your story may inspire another soul to reconnect with their flow.